Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Cajun fried corn. For the ingredients, you'll need corn, onion, red bell pepper, butter, heavy whipping cream, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. Start by melting the butter in a skillet over medium heat. Next, add the onion and the bell pepper and cook until soft, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, go ahead and add the corn to the skillet and stir until the corn is well blended into the butter. After that, go ahead and add the Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. And lastly, go ahead and add in the heavy whipping cream, stir it up, and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes until it thickens. There you go, delicious Cajun fried corn. Thanks for watching.